The deer and rabbit. In a forest far away, there is a lazy mouse deer who often steals farmers' vegetables. He often leaves the forest to steal various vegetables in the farmer's field. Sometimes the steals mustard greens, eggplant, cabbage, and carrots. He is very detrimental to the farmers. That's why the farmers start alert to the behavior of the mouse deer. They know that the mouse deer is very clever, so they also set a lot of traps in their fields so that they are not stolen again by the thief mouse deer. On that day, the mouse deer was walking in the forest, and when he was walking in the forest, he came across a rabbit planting carrots and chills in his garden. "Hey rabbit, what are you doing?" asked the mouse deer. "Hello mouse deer, I am planting carrots and chills, so I won't starve when the food supply in the forest is running low," replied the rabbit. "Plant Rabbit, you better come with me." "Well, just take it in the farmer's field," asked the mouse deer to the rabbit. "Huh? You mean we steal?" asked the rabbit. "Well, something like that," answered the mouse deer. I don't want to steal from the farmer's pack. I am afraid of being arrested and confined by them," answered the rabbit. "So you feel bitter tired of growing your own carrots that taking them from the farmer's field?" "Yes, I will go to farmer's field alone," said the mouse deer to the rabbit. "Be careful, mouse deer, I heard then the farmers are starting to set a lot of traps because you like stealing in the deer field," said the rabbit. "Take it easy, friend. If it's a trap problem, I am expert," answered the mouse deer. "Stop, you mouse deer," said the farmers. "Beware, you deer thief. I will catch you," said the farmers. The mouse deer ran scarcely to see the farmer who was furious with a rival. The mouse deer kept running to avoid the peasant's case, but he began to be surrounded by farmers, confused because he could not run anymore. The mouse deer started looking for a hiding place, and he also saw the rabbit house. He ran towards the rabbit house and he knocked on the door of the rabbit house. "Rabbit, rabbit, open the door. Help me," shouted the mouse deer. "What's the mouse deer?" asked the rabbit. "Help me, hide me in your house. Mr. Farmer is catching me," sighed the mouse deer. "I don't want the mouse deer. Later the farmers will catch me too if you hide in my house," said the rabbit. "I beg a friend, help me," said the mouse deer. Because the rabbit also entered the mouse deer into his house and hid it from the farmers who were hunting him. After after several hours passed, the rabbit felt that everything was safe and the mouse deer was able to get off the house. "Dear, it looks like it's safe outside. You can go now," said the rabbit to the mouse deer. Because it was night, the mouse deer unconsciously ran to the lake near the farmer's field. When he arrived at the lake, without thinking, he also drank the lake water. But the farmers were ready to catch the mouse deer drinking lake water. Finally, the mouse deer was caught and locked up by the farmers.